नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। This is JVN Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Department of Homeopathic Repertory, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. This is our clinical class and the topic is how to work out a case as per the Boger. As per the Boger means with the help of BBCR. Boger Bonninghausen Characteristic Repertory. So the topic is related to the case. हाउ टू वर्क अ केस विद द हेल्प ऑफ बीबीसीआर। इसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले बोगर के कॉन्सेप्ट पता होने चाहिए, बोगर रिपर्टरी की फिलॉसफी पता होनी चाहिए, तभी हम बीबीसीआर को यूज कर सकते हैं और तभी हम उसके हेल्प से केस को रिपर्टराइज कर सकते हैं। सो टॉपिक इज स्टार्टेड नाउ। The arrangement of symptom is based on the availability of the data and peculiarity of symptom. Each outstanding symptom is followed by the next strongest. Depending upon the availability of data and value of symptom, cases are to be repertorized using the following scheme. The scheme was first is causative modalities, elements from other modalities, aggravation and amelioration, and concomitant symptom. Physical generals, location and sensation, pathological general, clinical routine. If the case has definite causative modalities, they should be used in the first place. If the case does not represent with causative modalities but has other general as well as particular modalities, these should be used in the first place. If the case does not represent with clear concomitant, these can be first used. If the case shows changes in the tissues at the different locations in a person which follow a pattern and therefore express the deviation in the constitution, then pathological general should be included. Diagnostic rubrics can be used for repertorization when the case does not have any other choice and lacks in characteristic expression. Mental symptoms are used to finalize the differentiation. डायग्नोस्टिक रूब्रिक्स क्या होते हैं? जब हमारे पास केस आता है, केस को हमने पूरा का पूरा केस टेकिंग किया, उसके बाद हमारे पास कुछ सिम्टम्स आते हैं और सिम्टम आने के बाद हमें एक्चुअली प्रोविजनल एक डायग्नोसिस बनाना होता है कि पेशेंट किस डिसीज से सफ़र कर रहा है। विद द हेल्प ऑफ साइन एंड सिम्टम हम उसकी डायग्नोसिस बनाते हैं। तो अगर आपके पास डायग्नोस्टिक रूब्रिक है, सो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं उसको रेपर्टराइजेशन में, बट उसको तब यूज करना है जब आपके पास कोई भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एक्सप्रेशन या कोई अदर जनरल सिम्टम आपको नहीं मिल रहा है। सो यू कैन यूज द डायग्नोस्टिक रूब्रिक्स। एंड फाइनल सिलेक्शन ऑफ द मेडिसिन जो हमें करना है वो मेंटल सिम्टम्स को यूज करते हुए फाइनल सिलेक्शन ऑफ द मेडिसिन करना है, जिसे हम डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ मेंटल सिम्टम। अगर कोई भी 1, 2, 3 मेंटल सिम्टम्स आपको मिलते हैं तो आप उससे इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हैं। Following Bonninghausen method for Bonninghausen therapeutic pocketbook, cases can be repertorized by using the following order. First, location and sensation, क्योंकि वो कंप्लीट पे वर्क करते थे। सेकेंड, मोडालिटीज। थर्ड, concomitant। फोर्थ, फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट। इन फीवर केसेस with distinct stages, chill, heat, sweat, the case should be repertorized by using following order. First, chill, heat, and sweat. Each of these component has to be investigated with respect to type, partial time, aggravation, amelioration, concomitant. But overview, the objective symptoms are more reliable, concrete, and least deceptive. Hence, they should receive our first attention. These are symptoms which others can determine by any of 5 senses, which are quantifiable and generally observable by the physician. Subjective symptoms, however, liable to be altered by the provers, by the patient as well as by the physician while interpreting. Most subjective symptoms have an identified character or are common to many disorders, therefore deserving of little attention. It is only when an ordinary symptom appears in extraordinary place or way that it becomes of much value. Subjective symptoms are prescribed by the patient as his feelings, as sensations, and are those symptoms which the patient alone can feel and express, but which the doctor can neither see, hear, etc. See, hear, etc. Actually, Boga described the last appearing symptom as one of the most important in the selection of the remedy. Even in a confusing presentation, one should be guided by the recent symptom. So, the topic is completed. Hope you are satisfied with this topic. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.